You are now watching Doorbell News.
Oakland, California. A female porch pirate is seen going through somebody's mailbox. She looks like she's in her 50s or 60s. Starting to see a lot of older women getting into this identity theft thing. Get lost. Scottsdale, Arizona. Can't even have pools in your backyard anymore. This dusty porch pirate goes for a dip in somebody's pool. Gross. Now I gotta drain all the water, and now I gotta desanitize and drain all the water because this dusty wants to jump in my pool. Get lost. Hollywood, Florida. Another woman that looks well into her 50s or 60s going through somebody's mailbox. I don't know what she plans to do with the mail, whether she's trying to get some money or credit cards, but she needs to get lost. Seattle, Washington. A creep is seen in someone's backyard until the homeowner catches him.
Can I help you with something?
Nah, you can't help her with anything.
Can you please put that back?
All you can do is tell them to get lost.
No, I didn't take anything. I just looked at it. My bad. I took a piss, and then I saw it was a bike. I just looked at the bike. Sorry. My bad.
You gotta leave the house. The police are on the way.
Can I help you with something? Don't ask these creeps, can you help them? Yeah, get lost. Don't ever climb my fence again. Shreveport, Louisiana. This blue shirt creep gets caught in the act trying to steal this guy's box right off his porch.
Hey, why don't you set that back down? Get off my porch.
Yeah, put my box down, you creep. Get lost. Phoenix, Arizona. A couple of female porch pirates are seen trying to walk off with someone's package, but the homeowner catches her in the act right before she creeps off. She got away with the box, but the homeowner sure did give her a good scare.
I see you.
Southgate, California. Can't even accidentally drop your wallet no more, because a guy like this in a yellow bike will come by and notice your wallet in front of your porch and then take it before you even notice it's not in your back pocket anymore. This guy took the wallet and tried to go to a gas station and run up some charges, but the homeowner canceled the credit card before he can buy anything of value. Aha, get lost, creep. Trying to steal my credit card and buy some Cheetos. Get lost. Hartford, Connecticut. Looks like he just got off work. I don't know what he took after work, but he's creeping around someone's porch like a zombie. The homeowner gets a notification and gives him a few words.
What do you want?
Michael.
What the f*** you want?
The thing about this is he's really not doing anything unlawful. I mean, it's not against the law to come on someone's porch and ring the bell. All you can do is tell someone like this to get lost. You can call the law, but he'll probably be gone by the time they come.
Yo, leave. Yo, man, get off the porch. Get your ass up. I'm gonna call the cops on you. Get up.
Atlanta, Georgia. You already know. Can't leave plants outside anymore. Look at this creep. He stole all of this woman's plants. Looks like 3 or 4 of them in his hands. These creeps don't even want to buy their own decorations anymore. You gotta chain your plants to your porch nowadays if you want to keep them. Seattle, Washington. This dusty Santa Claus looking dude grabs someone's Ring doorbell and then walks off with it with his dirty, crusty hands. What are you gonna do? Put a Ring doorbell on a cardboard box? Get lost. Look at this guy wiggling doorknobs in broad daylight. Can never be too safe. That's why you always gotta keep those doors locked. Get lost. Bakersfield, California. A homeowner's out of town when he gets a notification on his Ring doorbell and sees this lady creeping around his property, grabbing stuff, twiddling around, putting stuff in her bag.
Oh, that's the neighbor? Is that your neighbor? Get off the premises now. Weirdo.
Bakersfield, California. Can't even have pools in your backyard anymore, because some dusty will come by and try to take a dip in your pool. Look at this woman. She goes in someone's backyard and she puts her crusty fungus feet inside this person's pool. Gross. Now I gotta desanitize and put chlorine and drain the water and fill up the water again, all because this dusty wants to take a dip in my pool. Get lost. Looks like she's washing her crusty hands now. Atlanta, Georgia. There's still some good people out there in the world. These college students got word that this lady's plants got stolen, so they took it upon themselves to replace all of her plants and left her a gift. It's sad the times we live in. Can't even leave plants on your porch anymore. Yeah, you better put chains around those plants on your porch because they'll be gone in the morning. Yeah, keep those chains around your plants. New episode coming tomorrow.
I'm on the phone with Tamika right now. Oh my God, this is so beautiful! Oh, y'all gonna make me cry.
We cried already.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah, somebody, I'm gonna have to, like, literally, I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get like a cable, like a 2mm cable. I already put my bike cable on that one, but it's too.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.